Peking duck. There we go, folks. Queue outside, queue inside. I managed to get in. Sit down straight away. Yeah. There's a roast duck. Peking roast duck. It's called the original restaurant. There we go, folks. The original restaurant. The original stuff here. This is what I remember. I was really lucky to come afterwards. Peking duck, the original Peking duck. Fabulous, lovely. The original Peking duck restaurant. Wow. There we go, folks. There we are. The original Peking duck restaurant. There we have it. So let's go eat. I mean, hundreds of people are going in and out. I hope I get a table. Let's have a Peking duck. Hello.
你好。
你好。
One.
Peking duck one. Up also okay? Or here only?
可以。一个人是吗？
Just one, please.
这边。
Wow. It's lovely. Peking duck, the original Peking duck. Fabulous, lovely. The original Peking duck restaurant. Wow. There we go, folks. There we are. The original Peking duck restaurant. There we have it. So let's go eat. I mean, hundreds of people are going in and out. I hope I get a table. Let's have a Peking duck. Hello.
你好。
你好.
One.
Peking duck one. Up also okay? Or here only?
可以。
Would have come and that would have been the case. The realm Chinese. Oh, look at this. Cheers. I love it. It's the gifts. Beijing. It's the little sauce dishes. Fabulous, don't you think? Fabulous. Just one, please.
这边。
Wow, it's lovely. Lovely. Wow, big old table there. Beijing. I've got it's a big family one. Peking, the oldest Peking restaurant here in Beijing. And I've got this table there, look. Fabulous. So I've ordered one set of Peking duck and then a bit of that. I'm stuck. It's all in Chinese. Duck. Fabulous. It's all gone modern, not the old one anymore. Oh, they bring the Peking duck in here sometimes. Yeah. It's a huge hall, right? Old days, they used to, they're for renovation. So that's how they do it. Library. It's the old style library. With me here. I have sat in one of these tables. You will see the videos online. And Chengdu, Sichuan, Chongqing, and Wuhan. I've been all around, especially Yangtze, Guilin. Yes, it's a beautiful setting. Dining, Peking duck, and I've been invited to go around. How lovely. It's beautiful. Trusting. They opened the door for me. Wow. Oh, the amazing, don't you think? Come and sit with me at this lovely dinner table. A private hall. Private dining. China, beautiful. Wow, they love you open. Wow, my goodness. So they come here, and in a private room, bottle of wine. This, wow, it's crazy, amazing. The folks will come in and do dinner. I've sat like one of these in Chengdu. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice. So lovely. Grand. This is all part of the restaurant. My goodness. Wow. Special restaurants. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Amazing. Grand hall. I met a lovely gentleman here at the Peking Duck. Wow. So nice. Lovely to see you, sir. Beijing? Beijing? Good to see you. Lovely to see you, sir. 谢谢。So all the different dishes you can have. Oh, that's how they do it. I want to go and see the duck, how they... 哇 1864. This is another restaurant. Wow. This is all part of the restaurant. My goodness. Wow. Special restaurants. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Amazing. Grand